How to use the bike rack.
All RiverCities Transit buses have bike racks on the front of the bus that are easy to use. The driver must stay on the bus, so they are not able to help you load your bike onto the bike rack. Here are some easy steps to help you load your bike onto the city bus. Remove any loose items from the bike rack, such as water bottles and bags. Load the bike from the curbside. Alert the driver that you are loading your bike. To lower the bike rack, squeeze and pull the handle. Lift your bike and set it in the bike slot. Use the bike slot closest to the bus. The rack will tell you which direction your bike needs to face. Lift the secure arm and set it on the front tire and make sure it's secure. Then get on the bus and go to your destination. When you have reached your destination, alert the operator that you need to retrieve your bike as you exit the bus. You will unload the bike from the curbside location, lift the secure arm from the front tire, and then lift the bicycle from the bike slot. Squeeze the handle on the rack to raise it against the bus, then wait for the bus to leave before riding away for safety. Enjoy the ride with RiverCities Transit.